Okay, so let's in this first lesson, let's go ahead and set up our light plane emitters. First thing we want to do is we want to come over here to our polygon shelf, and I'm just going to drag out a polyplane, make it big enough, and I'm just going to go ahead and move it up here. And I'm going to turn on rotate. Now, what we need to do here is we need to go ahead and make sure that our face normal is actually pointing in the direction of our car, so that we can actually light our car. And what we need to go ahead and do this is come over here to display polygons, face normals. But I simply just made a shelf button for it, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the shelf button. And as you can see, when we do that, I get this little green line, and this indicates which direction that the light is actually going to be emitting in. So I'm just going to go ahead and rotate that towards the car, and go ahead and move this up, and right there should be good. Now I'm going to use more than one of these, so I'm just going to hit Control D to duplicate it, and let's go ahead and scale this in the -1Z, which isn't right. Let's just go ahead and rotate this so it's pointing in the direction of our car here. Go ahead and duplicate that again, and I'm just going to drag it out to be on the side of the car. It should be right there. Move it back into position, and then I'm going to do this last one here and just rotate it, and there you go. We have our light plane emitters all set up to go ahead and render our car. And then the next lesson, we'll go ahead and start applying shaders to these, and then we'll go ahead and add our HDRI map to the scene, and then we'll go ahead and do a test render before we set up any of the materials on our car.